안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today we'll make a very popular Korean banchan, the side dish, Eomuk-bokkeum, can be translated as stir-fried fish cake. We're going to make a little bit spicy version. The main ingredient for today, we're going to use a fish cake. You can use any type or shape of fish cake that you can easily get. So the one that I have, this is 240 grams. So it looks like this. So we're gonna cut this in a small bite sizes. The fish cake goes well with onion and the bell peppers. So we're going to slice half of the onion. And then let's use a color bell pepper. And we're going to flavor this dish with 2 cloves of garlic. Okay. The ingredients is all prepared. These are the ingredients that we need to make a sauce. We have soy sauce, brown sugar, sliced garlic, gochugaru Korean chili flakes, cooking oil, sesame oil, and water. So we're going to combine all this together in a pan. Let's start. Before heating a pan, add cooking oil. I'm using grapeseed oil today, garlic. Just throw everything all together, sugar and the Korean chili flakes, and then mix it. Once it's mixed, heat the pan over medium heat, and we're going to bring this sauce to a boil. We add all ingredients for the sauce except for water and sesame oil. And once you heat up in a medium heat, keep stirring until it gets bubbling. And then once it's bubbling, reduce the heat to a low. Keep stirring for about 30 seconds. And in here, we want to just put everything to the pan. First, let's add the fish cakes and then give it a mix so that the fish cakes is all well coated with the sauce. Once it looks like this, let's put all the vegetables as well. At this point, we want to higher the heat just a bit. Again, toss it well. It looks a bit dry yet, but don't worry, we have lots of vegetables in it. So stir fry for about a minute or so. Just add a little bit of water to it, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to put the lid, cover with the lid, and wait for another 1 minute. You don't need to cook for a long time, just to make sure everything is all together. It smells a little bit spicy, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good. Everything is all cooked. At the end, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil to it. It's gonna give a very nice flavor to my fish cakes. And once you add the sesame oil to it, turn off the heat. And let's cover again with the lid on for another 1 minute or so. Okay, let's see. It's done. Looks great. In Korean restaurant or home, it is normally served in a banchan portion, which is a small amount of small plates. Today we have lots of this, so we're gonna plate it in a big platter. You can adjust the level of spiciness, of course, to your taste. Inexpensive ingredient can be transformed in a great dish like this. Let me taste one bite of this. Okay, I want. The onion is crispy and nice. The fish cake, so yummy. I hope you enjoy my recipe. See you next time.